May pips be upon you. I want to answer a question from one of my favorite group members, my man Dave. All right, we're looking at Euro New Zealand dollar on the 1 hour. This looks ready to go. Why? All right, what we have here is a rising triangle. All right, we have reached over being overbought here, but we do not have a blue crossing the red on the stochastics just yet. All right, but I do like the price action. So uh, this is giving me the pause because we have a support here, support, and then it's being tested multiple times as resistance. I was hoping that it would prove to hold as resistance, and it's doing so. But we need to take a closer look at the price action. So we go to the 4 hour, all right, and we can see clearly that price has rejected again from this zone. Again, that's what we want to see. On the stochastics, though, I want to make sure you understand this. We're not overbought. All right, we were overbought here. All right, that's a little different. However, what do we see? Boom. All right, that's not really what I wanted to do. Boom and boom. All right, what do we have? We have divergence. I love divergence. When you have divergence, you got to jump on it. You got to jump on it, right? So, all right. So with that in mind, doggone it. All right. What I put a line here. I marked the level at 1.69542. Why? Because you can see it's been used as support here, resistance here. All right. Support here, resistance, resistance. All right. Again, here and here is both resistance and support. And if you go down further, you can see this line has shown some resiliency. So with a break below this level here by this bearish engulfer, all right, it engulfed the body of the one before it, but it completely filled the wick here that it left. All right, and now we left the wick here, and looks like we might be looking for that wick to be filled by the current candle. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, all right. I also want you to notice that we have been making higher lows here. All right, but we're not making higher highs. All right, that's that's a lovely sign because you can see that we're making another rising triangle within the big rising triangle. So what am I looking for? All right, well, what I'm looking for is a breakout below this line. All right, I love the rejection here. I love the this momentum candle. This looks like a momentum candle to me. Again, here would be the safest, what do you call it? Safest entry below these lows here. All right, this would be the safest entry, and you're waiting until you get a break below this line, below the this diagonal support that has been respected up to this point. I'm looking for a breakout below this line. All right, here. All right. Listen, don't mind my drawing skills, okay? I'm looking for a breakout below this line, breaking this confluence of support here. All right. So, and we're right there now. Would it be extra aggressive to take it above the line? It would be a little aggressive because you don't know if it'll reject here. You don't know if it'll reject here. All right, but I don't think it's I don't think it's a bad entry because I think we're going to fill that wick. We're going to fill this wick, this small little rejection wick here, and it'll look like the sellers are in complete control. All right, so I don't think an entry there is bad. Okay, now I also want to point out something else. Okay, I would say this would be a lovely entry. If price comes back above the high of this candle, of the current candle, I'm no longer interested in this trade. All right. Now, what am I targeting on this trade? Well, I'll tell you what, I'm targeting these lows. Why am I targeting these lows? Because that is the measured move, people. You know what a measured move is? That's when you look at this pattern formation, this candlestick formation, and you measure the widest part of it. It's kind of like what you would do with a head and shoulders. You know, you take the widest part to the neckline, just like this, and then you for these breakouts, you will place this at the wherever the breakout of this rising triangle. You place this at wherever that breakout is, and you take that measure move, and that'll be your TP. All right. So I'm going to target a whole number, which is 1.6200, 1.6200. That's where I would be targeting, and I think this is a good move. And on we are overbought on the daily, but we are definitely good to go. I think with the price action, based on the price action, I think we are good to go where we're at. We have some divergence showing up too, but on the 12-hour, I'm gonna tell you what, I like it. Look at the 12-hour. Look at the stochastics. Looking, we're getting that cross as we're speaking. So, you know, I like it. Why do I have this here? That is throwing me so off. All right, but yeah, that's the setup. You see where the safest sell is. All right, a more aggressive one would be right about now for an entry, but the safest one would be wait until that gray area that I had marked earlier. You know, these lows is broken, and we can take it from there. Why I can't get rid of that? Why? Why can't I get rid of it? Okay. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Give me a like if you like what I'm doing and you want to support the channel. All right, talk to you later.